Hey guys, it's Miss Smith. I'm going to show you how to make a style board today. And it's very similar to your inspiration page. It's just a little bit different. If you remember, you can go to the slides and click on this document, which will show you how to make a style board as well. Or you can watch this video and it'll show you how to make a style board. So, before we get started, I want you guys to go to your drive. So we're going to start in your drive. Once you're in your drive, find your personal logo folder. And you should have your inspiration page in there. And then I've got my personal logo started. But right now, you should just have your inspiration page. So I want to insert my style board. So I'm going to go to, clicked on New, and then Google Docs. Your style board is just going to be on a Google Doc, very similar to your inspiration page. And remember, you want to name it style board, then your name. Make sure I have it all correct. Okay, so I want to do 3 to 6 colors and then at least 2 fonts. So you have to do at least 3 colors. Some of you, I know you like black and white or red and blue or whatever. Just email me if you want 2 colors, but I would like for you to think of more than 2 colors. So in order to make it show your colors, I'm going to just first write colors for a title. So that way, whenever I'm grading it, I know those are your colors, even though I feel like it might be obvious, but just in case. So I'm going to bold that, make it a little bigger. Okay, now I want to insert a shape to show my color. So I'm just going to click on Insert, and you want to click on a drawing, then New. It's going to bring you to a new tab. And when you're in the drawing tab, you want to click on the shape. So it's the circle and the square that's combined together. You can click on any shape you want. I'm just going to stick with a circle today. And perfect. There we go. So it fills it light blue for you already. I do not want light blue. I do like the color blue, but I don't like that color. So you can choose from these colors if you want. The gradient's pretty cool too. You can play around with that. But I want to go to custom because I want more of a teal blue. So I'm going to drag it more in the turquoisey colors, then drag this one. And perfect. I really like that color. So since I like that color, before I click OK, I'm going to take this code. I'm going to highlight it and I'm going to copy it. Control C. And you want to click on OK. And your color changes. Click on Save and Close. And then what you want to do with that code that you copied, you want to paste it. So Control V. And there's my code. So I want at least 3 colors. The reason why I did the code is because it might be hard to find that blue color that you want if you are working on your logo. So that code, you can just copy it in that same box where you found it and get the same blue. So that will help you whenever you're designing. If you want to find the exact same blue, sometimes it's hard to go back and find the same blue. So I'm going to do the same thing. And actually, to make my life easier, I'm going to take this circle and I'm going to copy it, Control C. I'm going to paste it, Control V. So now I have another circle. Make my life easier to change the color. I'm just going to double click. Bring up the tab again. I want to change the color. And another favorite color of mine is this like ugly lime green, I guess. Perfect. Oh, I did not grab the code, so I need to go back and double click. Oops, I need to go back actually. Click on it, go back to the paint can, click on it, but instead go ahead and do the plus sign. There you go. Now you can go back up and Control C, copy it, click OK, save and close, paste, Control V. There we go. One more circle. I want to copy my circle again, Control C. Go down here, Control V. I think an orange might look good with this color, so double click. What am am I doing? So I'm going to click on that orange. Now, I did not get the code for that. So to get the code, you just click on it again and stay on the orange, but click on the plus and you'll get the code. Okay, I have at least 3 colors. You can stop here if you want. You can always add more. Let's say as I'm working on my personal logo, I decide I want to add black. You do not have to go back and add it to your style board. That is fine. Your style board's kind of just like another brainstorming idea page to help you. So if you decide to add colors or not use all the colors that you put on your style board, that is okay. Last thing I'm going to do is fonts. So I'm going to find some fonts that I like. I really like this one lately, so I'm going to type it Monofet. It's bold, which I don't like it bold, so I'm going to make sure it's not bold. Perfect. And then I'm just going to go and type all the letters in capital or uppercase. Okay, now I'm going to do them in lowercase. And then my numbers. By the way, this A in your lowercase is just might be annoying for you, but we'll see. Okay, and then my numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. Okay, I want at least 2 fonts. So there's one font. Pick another font that I like. This one's cool. Okay, it's kind of just basic. And all my letters in capital. Lowercase. And then my numbers. Okay, so I have at least 2 fonts and I have at least 3 colors and I named it correctly. That is your style board. Let me make sure I have it all correct on my turn-in sheet. Style board with correct title. Yep. All right. So then you are good to go. So I'm going to go back into my personal logo folder and it should be there. So let's just go back to Drive. Open up personal logo folder. And it's not there. So if you have this problem like I'm having, just go back to your Drive. And find it. Let's see. Or you can always go back to your page and see it is in my personal logo folder. So if you click on the folder next to the title, you can always move it. So let's say I don't want it in my personal logo folder. I can just click back and let's say I want to move it to my Drive. I can click move here. But since it's already in there, maybe it's just something wrong with my computer. So that's it for your style board. Good luck, guys. I can't wait to see what you come up with.